Okay, this is for the Hendrickson job, number 53755, install on 817 by Aaron. So what we're doing is we're switching out this pulse furnace with another 90% furnace, adding a coil and adding a heat pump. Okay, so the furnace will sit in the same place on the right. Furnace will sit on a base. Duct work just as it shows. I put the cut lines on the back. So cut line right there, and all the return air duct will come out up here. So the return air, the top will be flat and bottom will be flat. But you will be taking out this header and putting a big starting collar here to get everything. Okay, otherwise that all comes out. Okay, so 20 by 25, 7-inch wide filter box, and duct just as it shows. Okay, so combustion air not applicable. They have a 90% and an electric water heater. Vent. Right now it's vented in 2-inch PVC and it just goes right there. We're just gonna rip all that out and re-vent it in 2-inch PVC with a flat termination. Okay, the gas. From the T, add a 2, a new caulk, a 6, T with the drip leg, and then flex over to 14 and your 90s to the furnace. Okay, your AC, you'll run a new line set. It's just going to sit over there by the flues. I'll show you. So also the flues are right here, so you can see why we're just going to change it to a flat termination. But yeah, your AC will just come over here and a new pad here, run new line set. The owner will provide a disconnect here with a 25 amp breaker. Okay. Okay, thermostat, gonna do a Prestige thermostat with red link. Since it's gonna be so easy to get your 8-wire here, you know, maybe if you can save some parts by the outdoor sensor, but I'm not sure how that works. I can't remember. So the drain, okay, so it's going to be the tricky part. So the drain right now is this tubing just tied into this sewer. So they're going to constantly get sewer smell in the duct. So what we're going to do is we're going to take all this out and we're going to put in a 3/4 inch male pipe thread fitting, however we can. If we need to just put it in there and Sikaflex it, or you know, if you can glue it, or however you can get it in there. Then a 45 around the water heater, and you might have to scoot the water heater up to do this. And then we just want to get a P-trap, a 3/4 inch P-trap in here to block this sewer smell. So I kind of drew it right there. So and P-trap, and then you can just do your drain like normal. Okay. And, oh, so this fitting here, you're going to have to remove it and retap it into the same spot where it is now. I couldn't make it work with having a cut line below that. And right now they just have a hole for the return air cut in the back. So for now, we're just gonna leave it as is. In the future, he can just put a little sleeve if he ever finishes this and put a return air down low at the wall. And that is it.